Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of July 6th to the 12th and using the fabulous kit from Rose Shadow Collection. This kit does come with an extra freebie full box, which is really nice, and I love this full box. I've been trying to decide which one of the full boxes from the kit I might omit. I really like the office theme of this kit. I've got a busy work week coming up, and I think this is going to be so perfect for everything I need to get done for work and for school. It's going to be a week where I'm really buckling down and trying to get some things done, and so looking forward to using this kit. On this page we have the full boxes and they are foiled with gold foil. This page we've got headers that are both script headers as well as foiled headers. Then we've got some little work arrows and then some heart. These are like those like location hearts, a weekend banner, some bill due stickers, full box checklist. On this page, tons of foil on each of the pages in this kit. It's so beautifully foiled. On this page we've got lots of page flags, some layering icons, tons of circle icons, and look at the beauty of that foil. So gorgeous. On this page we've got our date covers. These are actually third boxes. I thought they were half boxes, but then I was looking at them and I was like, those are third boxes, which is so fantastic. Definitely something I've been noticing a lot more lately is that I've absolutely been loving the third box size, even more so than a half box. And then we've got some quarter boxes over here, which are always perfect. I'm gonna get so much use out of that page. And then on this page we've got all of our sidebar stickers, including habit trackers, Monday through Sunday trackers, 2 of those, a half box checklist, and then our bottom washi strips here. So really excited to use this kit. If you would like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching. Going to get started by putting down the base of my spread, which includes my bottom washi, date covers, and building my sidebar. I'm starting by placing down this bow washi from the Pink Room Co. and it's black with gold bows on it, and I loved that because the last time I used black in a kit, I really enjoyed having black in my planner. It's not a color that's included in a lot of kits, so it's really fun and different, and I definitely wanted to play that up and emphasize the black in this spread. So I've used that bow washi and paired it with the washi strip that came from the kit. Then I'm going to move on to my date covers, and the date dots that I'm using are from Rose Color Days. Once I've got my date covers down at the top, and I love how cute they are. I like the way she did it, alternating from black and pink between the days. Then I'm going to get started building my sidebar. Starting at the top of the sidebar, I'm going to place down the month, and the July script that I'm using is from Rose Color Days, and I'm layering that over a page flag from the kit. And I did decide to go with the full box that was the extra full box that came with the kit, and I omitted the full box that had the fashion girl with her really fancy cute little outfit with the black skirt. And what I found when I did that, because the other full boxes were much more office themed, they had like laptops and desks and things like that, that it totally shifted kind of the whole mood of this kit, which I really loved and felt very appropriate for this week. Back in like the last week of April, I think it was, they furloughed our hours and shifted us from working like a normal 8-hour work week to working only 6 hours a day. And so trying to fit a full days of work into 6.5, which actually with like a lunch break ended up being more like 5.5 hours of being able to get work done, which was really difficult and very stressful. And so this was my first week back having a full 8-hour work week for the entire week, which was amazing. But I knew there was a lot of things that had been kind of building up and things that weren't urgent that had just kind of gotten placed on the back burner. And so I had a lot of things I wanted to get done for work this week. So having a more office-y typed theme to my spread definitely felt appropriate. And I just talked over this whole sidebar. Okay, let's get caught up. I've created my school section to mark off, to make a section for the school assignments I wanted to do in my sidebar. Underneath there, I'm building my dinner section, which I like tracking my dinners throughout the week because I'm not always the most creative with coming up with meal ideas. And so sometimes it's really helpful to just like look back at a previous week and see, well, what did you eat? Oh, that's a good idea for food. and then I put down the habit trackers. And this week I decided to track a no spend, which
basically marked off days I didn't spend money on stickers, not an actual week that I didn't spend money on stickers. And then also tracking my skincare, because I've been having some really bad like hormonal breakouts of acne on my face. And so I've been trying to do really well with making sure I'm doing good with like daytime and nighttime skincare routine. So on to our day by day. On Monday, starting off by tracking what week it is for working from home, and work from home this week was week 16. That's so crazy how long this has been going on now. Underneath there, I put one of the third boxes from the kit, and I mean, I think technically they might be half boxes, but the amount of space that you get for that box, it's much smaller than a typical half box, so I'm going to refer to them as third boxes in this spread. But I layered one of the 3-heart checklists on top of there and one of the work arrows, just to make a list of things I really wanted to get done for work and were my priorities for that day. Put down a scallop divider from Honey Inked, and then used a page flag and then that little money stack icon also from Honey Inked to review my budget for the week. Then used the full box for Monday, and I love all of the little officey elements in that full box. So cute. Put down a layering sticker, and then that podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie, and I really wish they would change the name of that podcast, because I keep confusing people and I keep getting people telling me congratulations on buying a house that I didn't buy. It's the name of a podcast that I listen to that's just really fun. And then finished off Monday by marking a workout session. On to Tuesday, definitely there were some urgent emails and flagged emails that I wanted to make sure I responded to. So I used a quarter box from the kit and another one of those little work arrows. I love the font that she used in this kit. And I don't typically pull in a lot of like script headers or things like this unless I'm really attached to the font that's used in the kit. And so I did with this spread, pulled in a lot of script elements that were in the kit itself, just because I really love the font that she used. And of course, right after I say that, I'm going to put down a to-do header from the kit and then cover up that script with a script with that script sticker. And the only reason I'm doing that is not because I actually don't like the to-do that's written there. I do, because I like that font. But I am only 3 more weeks left of school, and I really need to use up all of these school script stickers that I have now, because I've got a bunch. And so I'm actually, what I would typically do is use that school script just for my sidebar, but I'm using it throughout my spread because I got tons of school stickers now that I need to work into some of these planner spreads for the next couple of weeks before school's done. So anywho, marked the chapters that I needed to read for school, then moved over to Wednesday. I am not the biggest fan of circle icons, but I found myself pulling in her circle icons in this kit. And so I marked my midweek post for Instagram with a circle icon that had a camera in it from the kit. Then using another one of those third boxes, I am placing down this cute little like Zoom sticker from Sticky Bow Babies, and that was to mark an all-employee work conference call that we had. And then hopped back over to Tuesday. I'm putting down one of those adorable bowstrung boxes from the Given Girl, and I used that to mark a home project. My husband and I are talking about making some changes and things to our living room. And so we wanted to go over some things that we're wanting to change around it and what we wanted to get and do for that. So I used that house icon from Honey Inked and layered it over one of those little sort of location arrows that has a little heart on it. And mostly I layered it over that because I liked that black element and just wanted to bring in a little bit of a pop of that color, because I think it makes gold pop really well. Underneath there, I put down a to-do header from the kit, a page flag, and layered that cutlery and dishes icon from the Pretty Pink Co. To mark cooking dinner, and then finished off marking my nighttime skincare routine. That skincare icon was also from the Pretty Pink Co. On to Wednesday, I put down a cleaning bathroom icon, which was also from Sticky Bow Babies, and then place underneath the full box on Wednesday, I'm placing down one of those little arrows, because again, I just wanted to layer over a little bit of black. And then that book icon is from Crafts by Towie, to mark some more reading I needed to do for school. Then finished off by placing down a scalloped scallop divider from Honey Inked, and then a layering icon from the kit, and then those ballet slippers are from Crafts by Towie, and I use those to mark the bar workouts that I do on YouTube. And I get a lot of questions about the bar workouts that I do, so I will have the bar workouts that I follow linked in the description box if you're interested. They're really fun, low impact. They're like not a lot of jumping, but it's a really great workout. So if you are interested, that'll be in the description box. On to Thursday. Starting with a today header for Thursday. I told you guys I really liked this font. I've never used this many script headers. Then I used a third box from the kit, layered another one of those work arrows. That laptop is from the Pretty Pink Co. And I definitely needed to focus on some things for work that day. Then this full box, absolutely my favorite, and this one was so fun. I love the fact that there were two fashion girls in the full boxes in this kit, and this girl had such a different vibe from the other one because she was just much more casual, and I really liked that full box. It was fun. Anyways, underneath there, I'm putting down a page flag from the kit and using another one of those school scripts from Sticky Sloth Designs. And that was to mark the DQ post that I needed to, and DQ is just discussion questions, posts that I needed to do for school. Underneath there, I'm putting down one of those really cute foiled headers, and I wanted to do some layering to mark a little short snippet video that my husband and I recorded, which was just a birthday greeting for his brother. His girlfriend was putting together a fun little birthday video while his friends and family saying happy birthday to him. And so I used a hexagon, layered one of those vine stickers from Honey Inked, and then the camera is from Paper Muse Crafts. Underneath there, I had a delivery from Ulta, which was so great, but it was I got my order and I was like, wow, you really weren't thinking that through when you placed that order. I ordered some more of my nails and picked up a couple other things and realized I'd forgotten to reorder some mascara, which I really need, and some other things. And only one box of nails. What was I thinking? I needed more. So yeah, I definitely ended up placing another Ulta order right after that. On to Friday. I'm going to start by placing down the full box on Friday, and I'm actually mistaken. I thought the full box I put in the sidebar was the extra full box that came in the kit, but actually the extra full box I'm placing down on Friday. Okay. And then putting down the other full boxes for Saturday and Sunday. See, they're very, very similar because they both had those laptops in them, which was absolutely the theme that I wanted for this spread. But also I got seriously confused there. Anywho, at the top of Friday, I am using that little vase with flowers that is from that's from the Sweet Planner. I layered a script sticker from Nettie Designs that said payday on top of that. And then I am going to repeat that element that I did on Monday because I really liked how that layering came out. I put down a third box, layered the 3-heart checklist on top of it, and then also used one of those work arrows and just made myself a checklist of things that I needed to focus on for work. And then I'm putting down this bowstring box from the Given Girl to mark that we shared and announced the summer planner collab on Instagram, and that is a collab that will be going up next weekend. A collab between myself, Rachel from Gathered Plans, Kiara from Kiara's Planner, and Lauren from Plan Most Plan. I'm so excited for this planner event, and it's something that I've been working on and secretly referencing as my summer project in some of my previous spreads. And so it was really great to finally be able to share what that was with you guys, and I'm so looking forward to next week. Underneath there, I marked that I wanted to order some mascara because, as I said, I did not do that great with my last Ulta order. I used a makeup icon from the Pretty Pink Co to do that. And then on to Saturday, I'm starting by putting down a to-do header from the kit, and then that third box where I've layered another one of those cute little location heart icons with a little credit card icon from Honey Inked on top of there to mark a bank run and paying bills. Then I'm going to use a hexagon, and then that nail polish sticker is from Crafts by Towie. Underneath there, I was marking just cleaning up the living room, and so I used a page flag from the kit. That arrow just had a little heart on it, and I put that down just because, again, I was really trying to pull in a lot of black elements because I felt like it helped the pinks and the golds really pop and stand out. And so I used that and then layered a cleaning icon from Paper Muse Crafts on top of there. Used that fine divider from Honey Inked, and then placed down a little Amazon sticker from the Pretty Pink Co. layered over one of the circle icons from the kit. I was browsing and taking a look at like getting one of those like they're like bars that you can buy, like ballet bars, but like they're not attached to a wall. Like portable, that's the word I'm looking for, like a portable ballet bar that I'm thinking about getting to put in my garage. I really enjoy doing ballet bar workouts, and so I'm thinking about making the investment and going ahead and picking one of those up. And so I wanted to browse through Amazon, find out kind of what the best prices were, see what the features were, and figure that whole thing out. Then on to Sunday, I am placing down another one of those bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl, and the Plan With Me live script is from Letters to Apollo, and that is of course to mark that this Plan With Me that you're watching right now went up on YouTube. I am going to layer some vine stickers and just create a cute little decorative element, and so these stickers are from Honey Inked, and so I'm putting down just the little vines and then placing the flower in the center of them. I'm putting down a circle icon with a TV from the kit to mark watching Hamilton on Disney Plus. I've been hearing so many great things about this play, and so I definitely wanted to sit down and watch that with my husband. Then put down a laptop half box from My Newest Addiction and layered another one of those school scripts. I told you I was going to work those into this spread to mark the paper that I'm going to spend basically all Sunday writing. Fun, love school, so much sarcasm. And then finished off the spread by marking a bar workout and some me time for body and skincare. Thank you guys so much for watching this Plan With Me. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.